pilots work. Basically, someone gets an idea, and they write up a pilot script, and then they get someone to fund the pilot. Oh, what just happened? Oh, what did you do? Are you all right? Justin, there's a screwdriver in your arm.
Oh my God!
Okay, no, you need to sit down.
Call 911. Call 911.
Oh my God. Okay, hold on. I don't know what to do. Here, and can you just hold his hand? I'm gonna go call the paramedics. Please, just keep his head away from it. Okay, I'll be right back.
No, sit down. Wait, just sit down. Hold on. Sit down.
Please don't look at it, okay? Relax and let's breathe. No.
Pull it out.
I don't think it's a good
Pull it
idea.
out.
No.
We can't pull it out. Don't pull it out.
Please, don't pull it out. Whatever you do, don't pull it out. Don't do that. What are you doing? Can you just hold pressure on his hand? Just push on his hand. Just push right there. I'll be right back.
No, it's
right back. All right.
Put a lot of pressure on it.
Yeah.
A lot of pressure. Just keep direct pressure. They're going to be here in 2 minutes.
We're going to lift your arm up like this, okay?
It's fine. Don't worry. You're through this. You're through the hardest part.
So bad. Take a look. Tell me it's blood. It's bleeding. It's done bleeding. It's
fine.
There's no blood.
Wait a minute.
How the hell did you do that?
Not really bad, actually. Okay, I'm getting out of here.
What did you do to make it heal? How did you do that?